Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is e-commerce store setup. Many entrepreneurs want to sell products online but don't know how to set up their stores. If you're tech savvy and enjoy problem solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Many clients pay $100 to $500 per store setup, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' needs and delivering user-friendly stores. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Next is photo editing. From social media influencers to small businesses, everyone needs polished photos. If you have an eye for detail, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop. Many clients pay $10 to $100 per project, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating clean and professional edits. You can find work on platforms like Fiverr or by reaching out to photographers directly. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Third is flyers and posters. From local events to business promotions, there's always a need for eye-catching designs. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe InDesign or Canva. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per design, depending on the complexity. To get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to local businesses or event organizers. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is copywriting. Every business needs compelling words to sell their products or services, and that's where you come in. As a copywriter, you'll craft persuasive content like ads, emails, and website copy that drives sales. Start by learning the basics of persuasive writing and SEO. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per project, depending on the scope. To stand out, focus on understanding your client's audience and delivering results-driven content. You can find work on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or by pitching directly to businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. Finally, let's talk about Amazon product listings. With millions of sellers on Amazon, standing out is crucial, and that's where you come in. As an Amazon listing expert, you'll create compelling product titles, descriptions, and images that drive sales. Start by learning the basics of Amazon SEO and keyword research. Many sellers pay $50 to $200 per listing, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on understanding the product and its target audience. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to Amazon sellers directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose e-commerce store setup, photo editing, flyers and posters, copywriting, or Amazon product listings, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.